All right, let's give today's waffle a shot. The waffle-shaped wordle game. This game has 6 words in it. So there's 3 going across, 3 going up and down. Green tiles are in the right place. Yellow tiles are in the right word, but in the wrong place. I usually try to start with the word that I have the most information about. I'm looking at this over here. I think this could probably be horse. And it looks like it has all 5 letters in it, right? But this H is at a point where it could be in 2 different words. So this H could actually be in the sideways word. The R and the O absolutely have to be in the up and down word, but I think horse makes a ton of sense here. So I'm gonna just write that down on my little notepad. I don't like to start moving tiles immediately because I like to try to get a 5-star waffle, which means you have 5 swaps remaining at the end. So we only have 10 swaps to use. So if I start moving letters, there's a possibility I could do things more efficiently. So we'll see that at the end. I'm gonna try and get all 6 words and then move tiles around at the end to make sure I'm putting stuff in the right spot and putting in the right order. Okay, but if this was horse, then this word now would need an H. We don't have a ton of other information about that, so if it doesn't end, it can't have an S in it, it can't have a P in it. So those are both letters that go with H. I'm kind of looking at the second spot in this word as a possibility for the H. It could be a CH word. And remember this is horse, so this ends in R, which seems pretty weird, honestly. So I something R. What could go between an I and an R? I think that's probably the key here. Probably an A. IAR seems pretty good. Where's the H gonna go though? So Shire doesn't work. Does this O go in that word? Huh, okay. So this is not immediately popping out to me at all. I'm gonna actually move away from that and try to see if this word gives us any information. Okay, so again, we have 3 yellows in this word and an I in the middle. And this time, so this N could be in either word, but N can't go here because it's black here. It can't go here because it's yellow here, and it's not gonna go after an L. So this N actually has to be in this word, which is interesting. Anime? So if this ends in E, we have to move the N and the M. So N-I-M-E, this could be anime. I think I like that a lot, actually. I think anime looks really good. So if this was an A, leash, maybe? If this was an A, I think this could be an S. We're gonna need something here. It can't be a C. I think it's probably the S. I think the S almost has to go here. And then this is an A, and then that's probably leash. I think that looks really good to me as well. So now we have horse, anime, leash. So this is anime. This is an E. This is probably speed. Could it be anything else? I don't see anything else, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be EED, presumably. All right, so now we have 4 words. We might be able to just snipe this right off the bat. It is good to know what letters we have left. So, all right, so this was horse, an R. I'm still confused about what this could be. We do need to place this H somewhere. And I feel like it probably has to be first. All right, I'm just gonna figure out what letters we have left if those are the 4 words. So I like to write all the letters down and then remove the ones that appear in the words that I'm thinking about. O-P-S-H-A-E-O-A-U. So this is a list of all of the letters that aren't green in the puzzle. So letters that still need to be placed. And then, so horse, use the O, R, and the S here. So now I'm gonna remove all letters that aren't green that I'm using in my hypotheses here. Oh wait, I didn't need to remove an E. O, R, and S, S, and R. And then, all right, so this was horse. This was gonna be, oh, I didn't know that one, okay. And then this one was leash, so E-A-S. E-A. Ooh, okay, so already ran into a problem. Wait, horse. Where was horse? Oh, this is, no, this ends in a D. What, horse? What was I talking about? Was I really saying horse right off the bat? That doesn't make any sense at all. It's got to be hoard, probably. Hoar. Okay, so let's undo that. Okay, so those are all the letters. I think this is probably going to be hoard, but I'm not positive about that. But that made no sense whatsoever. Okay, so let's erase that from our memory. So hoard. So I'm using OA. Tough start to the video. OAR for hoard. This is leash, so EAS. So EAS. Anime, which already has an A from leash, so NME, which are all right in a row right here, NME. And then speed is P, just a P, because we already placed the E. Okay, so these are the letters that I'm left with. I have an H, and so this is now an A at the end of this. It's going to be, I really want this to be haiku, but I don't think it is. I mean, it doesn't work with the letters we have right now. Could it be, though? Is there a way? So if I took the A, oh, there's no K in the puzzle, so I don't know where I would be getting that from. All right, so right now this is an A. We need an H somewhere. China. China works perfectly. China would use CHN. HCN. So there's a C here, and then locus. And those are our 6 words, and now all we have to do is move around all of the letters in as few moves as possible, and hopefully we'll nail this. So I need to look for spots where I can make one move, so move 2 tiles in one move and turn them both green. So I'm gonna look for all those instances in the puzzle. Oh, as it turns out, since this word is hoard, the O and the R are actually occupying each other's spots, so I should be able to switch these and turn them both green, which is perfect. And we only used 1 swap, and we turned 2 green. So you can see how that's more efficient than just turning 1 tile green every single turn, just moving 1 tile into the spot. If I can find the spots where I turn 2 greens in 1 move, then I'm going to use less moves. So I got to find those. All right, found another one. So this N right here wants to be an S for leash, and this S wants to be an N for China. So this wants to be an S, this wants to be an N. We switch these 2, they should both turn green. They do, awesome, making progress. All right, so I think I might be out of the 1 swap moves to turn 2 tiles green, but I did just find a little circle of tiles, of 3 tiles, that I think I can turn 3 tiles green in 2 moves, which is pretty efficient. So this word is China, so this H wants to go here. So this P, the only place for a P in the puzzle is right here, which is, this word is speed, and then the A can go here for China. So this H, P, and A all want to be in each other's spots respectively. So if I place one of them, then I switch the other 2, they should all turn green. There it is. All right. And now we've reached a part in the puzzle, hopefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're not actually there yet. I'm gonna have to find 2 sequences of moves to fix these. So I'm gonna look for that. All right, I think I found another 3 tile circle. So this C, E, and O, I think all wanna be in each other's spots. So this E needs to go here for leash, and then the C and the O, this is locust, so they just switch places, and they'll all become green. There we go, 3 tiles green, 2 moves. And now we have 9 swaps remaining. So 4 swaps to get a 5-star waffle, because we want 5 remaining here, and we have 5 tiles remaining. So now if we turn 1 tile green every turn, the last move always turns 2 tiles green because they'll be occupying each other's spot. So that'll be 5 tiles in 4 moves, which is exactly what we're looking for. So this E goes here for speed. This U goes here for locus. This A goes here for anime, and then the N and the M switch, and we've got ourselves a 5-star waffle. Love to see that. Perfect, says the computer. Love to see it. We've got 5 stars. Aren't they beautiful? And that's all. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.